Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in my office and the sun is setting, but I just checked the mail and I'm really excited because I have the April Joyful Jordan box to share with you today. So stay tuned for that and welcome to my office. Welcome back to my home. I love sharing little bits about Jordan Essentials because it's a company that I've been proud to be a part of since 2004. I love these monthly subscription boxes. It's a monthly surprise box called the Joyful Jordan box. So I'll have some links in the description down below. I am a consultant, so you can shop my personal link, and I'll just have some information down there as well. Now, normally when I get my Green by 15 box, which means I've earned this April box in the month of March, so I get to order it early and get it for free. Normally when I get those in, I've ordered several other bigger items, and so it's shipped with that, and I have a chance to open it and kind of get everything sorted before we take a look. But today it came all by itself because I think I just have one small thing that I ordered along with it. So I'm just going to use my slice tool and you'll get to see my reaction as we open. I have some inklings on what could be in this April Joyful Jordan box. So we'll see if my suspicions are right. So first of all, the box is $29, and if you do subscribe and have it automatically shipped out to you every month, then you pay nothing for shipping. Shipping is free. You'll just have the $29 plus a little bit of tax that gets run on your card every month. And I love them because they're always full of exclusive products. I think this box is valued at $41. Typically it's $39 or more as a minimum. So without further ado, let's open this little box of awesomeness. And yes, I see maybe some things that might be fun. Let's find out. I'm gonna move my invoice aside. So these are some of the little spatulas I had ordered so I can help people with sampling products. So each box is going to come with a card. This month the card says, "Create the things you wish existed." So we have on the back of the card, it talks about the 3 items that come in the box, and it looks like we have some really fun exclusive sizes on some of the awesome products that are in our catalog. So the first is the Tone and Firm lotion. This is a really good body lotion. I love it because it has some wonderful properties in it to help firm and tone up your skin, and it smells great. So it says, help firm, tone, and hydrate skin with a light lotion infused with pink grapefruit, aloe, and green tea to help smooth the appearance of skin. Perfect to use on those areas that need a little extra attention, like thighs, belly, and the back of arms. So I have one in my bathroom that I use after my shower, and sometimes in the morning I'll put it on again just because it smells so great. It's got the grapefruit in there. It's just a fresh, light scent, but I do not have this little 3-ounce travel size. So I'm really excited to have something like this that I can keep in my little stash of travel products for things like Jordanvention, which is our annual convention coming up in July, which is actually getting closer and closer now that we're into the month of April. So the next item is the Tone and Firm Serum. So this says smooth, brighten, and even out skin tone with a vitamin C boosted serum to improve skin's overall appearance. Pink grapefruit, green tea, and caffeine help to smooth fine lines while nourishing and moisturizing. Apply all over face and neck as a first step in your daily routine. And once again, we have a little fun travel size, this 1/2-ounce travel size, which is perfect to throw in your luggage. Even if you're just doing a little road trip, it's nice to have smaller sizes when you travel. Or sometimes I'll keep little things like this in my on-the-go makeup kit. So every once in a while, if you just want to touch up your makeup or kind of refresh your makeup, you could wash your face and then do your Tone and Firm serum again after that. So that's really cool to have this. Again, another great product, but in a fun new mini size for this box this month. And then the last item is our toner mist with magnesium. And this was new with our spring launch this year. The spring catalog came out in February. So for the toner mist with magnesium, it's a 4-ounce bottle. Just a quick spritz gives your skin a daily dose of vitamins infused with chamomile, green tea, seaweed, aloe, and vitamin E. The toner mist nourishes from the outside in. Magnesium balances and improves skin tone, contains amino acids and silk proteins that provide lift and tightening of skin. So that's really awesome. We have quite a few products that have the topical magnesium, and Nancy has shared she does a very special, unique process just for our products where, especially these face care products, it's like nanotechnology to get the magnesium in there. And the benefits of having topical magnesium means the magnesium can get absorbed into your skin and your tissues as quickly as 26 seconds, and it'll go right to where your body needs it. So our bodies are really smart. They won't take in more than they need, and they'll put it where it needs to be, and it can help with muscle spasms or cramping, pain or soreness, headaches and eye twitches, restless legs. So having it in this quick and easy toner mist spray is just a really great way to get a little extra magnesium into my daily routine. And I love that I'll have that as something fun and new to try in my daily face care routine. So there we have it. That is the April Joyful Jordan box from Jordan Essentials. And as I mentioned, I'll have everything linked in the description below. If you have any questions, drop me a comment. I'm happy to help if you're just curious or want to know more about Jordan Essentials or some of the products. And these little Joyful Jordan boxes make a great gift, either for yourself or someone else. And you can always break it apart into some smaller gifts too, especially with these little smaller size on some of our regular products. So thanks for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button down below if you enjoy these kinds of videos. I'll be back with another planning video on Sunday, a Tiny Tidy Tuesday video where I'm going through one box at a time, getting through my entire basement every Tuesday. And then on Fridays, I've been sharing a weekly video in a special challenge I'm doing called Beautifully Organized in 52 Weeks. And we're just working on areas of our home a little bit at a time as we go through this year of 2023. So thanks again. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time. Bye.